All right, guys, let's do some technical analysis real fast here. Let's talk about my watch list for for Friday and next week more than anything. I'm going to be watching silver under 2050. That's what I'm going to be looking for. Another swing to the upside. I've been swinging that one for quite a bit. Probably the only one reliable enough to swing in a market that's kind of just going up and down, up and down. You don't even know. We don't even know where we're going right now. Nvidia gave us a push today, which is cool. Let's see if it's short-lived or if it's actually going to continue, bringing everything else up with it. That's really the big question. But silver, I'm going to look to flip it, buy it under 2015, flip it at 21. Palantir, I'm not tempted to buy here because it's just, look, it's all the way up here. Anytime it's gotten to a high, usually retraces. So look at that. Top retraces quite a bit. So top retraced $6. Top retraced $6 again. Top retraced, well, $3 there, but either way, top 25.47. It's only retraced what, $3? And technically speaking, if we draw a trend line, that's what I'm seeing here. It would have to like break out of this. This is what I'm seeing, guys. Like, yeah, I'm not buying. I'm not touching this. So I would wait for this to drop a little more, under 20 ideally. Riot, I'm not interested in buying Bitcoin miners right now because they're so expensive. I want to buy back down here. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. Let's get rid of the segment lines. That trend line isn't necessary. And you know what? None of this is necessary. Let's just draw a quick rectangle here and another one down here. Yeah, this is where I want to buy down here. Nice and cheap. You have to be patient and let it come down. And it can take a couple months for it to come down. So I just don't want to chase near a top. It just doesn't make sense. Let's buy it $10 and under, swing it for another 50%. That's the strategy for that one. SoFi, wow, that's a lot of spaghetti, but let me look at the spaghetti again. Yeah, we're inside this wedge, so I'm just not touching it. I'm waiting to see if it's gonna break down. Too many people are impatient. They want to make money today, and I'm like, no. Right now is not the time to be buying. Right now is the time to be waiting. You want it to come down cheaper so you can swing it back up. So this is either going to break out or break down. I'm hoping for a breakdown. I want to buy under 750, ideally. So that's what I'm waiting for here with SoFi. AITX, it's one of those penny stocks you just buy and hold, and eventually it'll have its run up. I think we have plenty of catalysts coming in March. It's gonna appear. I think their rad dogs are gonna appear on TV or something like that. That might get. Look, they might get some. The price might get some movement here off of that. We also have the Qs, I believe. So something to, oh, and there's a on March 4th on a Sunday. There's also a Ask Me Anything. So there's a lot coming for AITX. So very risky. I don't recommend throwing like 20 grand at it. Don't go crazy, but as close to the bottom as you can get here. Soundhound AI. It got that Nvidia fuel. So I'm still keeping an eye on it and seeing if it's gonna break. It needs to break out above 430 to go to 5. It's struggling here, as you can see. It got a nice little bit of fuel from Nvidia beating earnings, but that's about. I mean, look, I'm just not touching it. I'm gonna wait. I need to see this breakout, or else I'm just not interested. I know some people are definitely hoping for more, and they bought down here, and they're holding for like they want more than just 100%, which I don't blame them. If this breaks out, you're gonna make more than 100%, but um, we'll see what happens. The last thing you want to do though is hold it. You're up 100% or more right now, and then you keep holding it as it goes down, and then like, oh wait, it's back to where it once was. Damn, I should have sold when I was up 100%. So just make sure you take profits at some point if this thing starts breaking down. ILUS, I'm waiting for this one to get cheaper by the dozen. I'm waiting for this one to get down under a penny. It'll get down there. It'll dilute. It'll get down here in no time. Just a matter of being patient. Some guy was seeing lower or higher lows and higher highs. Some I don't know. Maybe they flipped the chart. That's what I'm watching for. Be patient. You'll notice a pattern here with many of the stocks I'm talking about. Just be patient. Let it come down. We'll buy in. Then you have to be patient on the selling side. Like just be patient. Wait for it to go up. It'll go up. Be patient though. It's not gonna happen right away. We're not day trading. We're swing trading. So you just got to be patient with it. It'll go up and we take profits. I'm waiting for Sambo to see if it's going to find support. I got out of there at a small loss. Remember, I remember telling you guys I'm getting out because I don't like that wedge. QIND, same thing inside a wedge. I did flip this one because I bought it on the dip here. We'll see what happens there. Maybe it has bottomed out down here at 10 cents, so maybe not a bad idea to add if you think they're not going to dilute that one either. But that's about it. That's what I'm keeping my eyes on. Like, I'm not interested in Bitcoin miners right now. I'm just not. It's way too expensive. Let's wait for it to come down. It goes up and down in cycles. So for Bitcoin miners, those are my money makers, but I just don't want to chase it. I'd rather wait for Riot or Mara to come down nice and cheap. You know, let Riot come down to 10, we buy it, and then we flip it at $15 for 50% gains. And go in with a big position, of course, at $10. That's what I'm looking to do. That's really where I make my most money. I mean, I love that volatility. But for the time being, silver's been the money maker right now. It's not doesn't have that incredible volatility that Bitcoin miners have, but it's better than making no money, right? It kind of just it's been holding above $20 since what? Since the beginning of the decade. Well, not even actually since 2017. Since 2017, it came up to yeah. Since mid 2017, it came up to $20, and it's just kind of been holding there. So you just want to buy at 20 and then sell it at 21 or whatever. Like flip it for a quick 10, 20, 30, 40 cents just to make some money, right? While we wait for the bigger plays. But yeah, that's about it. I don't think I have anything else to say. That is it for the video. As always, like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one.